Hello and welcome to the walking talking topic on angles, question number 3 with me, Mr. Barton. Now I'm a big fan of this question, but I don't know how many other people in the world would be. Let's have a read of it. There are two regular polygons, that's going to be important, regular. Angle, polygon X and polygon Y. The size of each exterior angle in regular polygon X is 9. Let's deal with that one first. So the exterior angle is 9. Now, there's one thing you've got to know about exterior angles of any polygon, and that's that they add up to 360 degrees. So if you want to work out the size of each exterior angle in a polygon, you divide it by the number of sides that it's got, and that's going to tell you. So for example, if it was a triangle, 360 degrees divided by 3 would give you the size of each exterior angle of that triangle. But we don't know how many sides it's got, but what we do know is that the size of each exterior angle is equal to 9. Well, that gives us a nice equation that we just need to solve. We've just got to rearrange this. 360 divided by something is going to be equal to 9. If I multiply both sides by my n, I get 360 is equal to 9 lots of n. And if I divide both sides by my 9 now, I get 360 divided by 9, and that's going to tell me how many sides my polygon has. 360 divided by 9. Well, that's a fairly tricky one to do. Let's assume here that we don't have a calculator, just to make life a little bit trickier here. So I'm going to set myself up, I love doing these, a little bus stop. 9's into 360. Well, 9's into 3, that's not happening. Carry me a little 3 across. 9's into 36. 9, 18, 27, 36. I think that goes in 4 times. So I'm going to say it's got 40 sides. Flipping out, that's a big old shape. What about polygon Y? It has an interior angle of 120 degrees. Now, there's two ways of dealing with interior angles. Some people really like this formula here, that you get your total number of sides, you take away 2, and you times it by 180, and that tells you your total number of sides, total number of interior angles, the total size of all the interior angles. The problem with that is we don't know the total size of the interior angles, and we could end up getting ourselves into a bit of a mix-up with that. So I'm going to show you a different way of doing it. How I would do it anyway. Each interior angle of the polygon is 120, so that's the interior angle. Well, I reckon I know what my exterior angle there is, because interior angles and exterior angles have a lovely relationship in that if that's your interior, your exterior is just there, and he adds up to 180. So if your interior is 120, your exterior angle is just going to be 60. So once we know that, we can just do our same thing again. 360 divided by the size of our exterior angle, which is 60, is going to tell us how many sides we've got. And I reckon that comes to 6 sides. And you can check that if you want, because a 6-sided shape is a hexagon. So you could use this formula just to double check. A hexagon's got 6 sides, so 6 take away 2 is 4. 4 lots of 180 are going to be equal to 720, so that's going to be the total interior angles. And if it's got 6 sides, well, 720, if you divide it by 6, I'm pretty sure that's going to come to the 120 that we need. So polygon X is a massive 40-sider. Polygon Y has got 6 sides and is a hexagon.